Hey, hi. I'm just showing this brief video. Me, Kenny, and Emily. I picked them up at the airport before checking in at their hotel. We decided to head down here to Ala Moana food court. So, because of the issues I'm having with the clip here, I decided to do a voiceover. So, yeah, we're gonna have late lunch or early dinner at the food court. I think I already know what I want to eat, so yeah, I hope you enjoy watching this. Thank you. So we're entering the food court through the Ala Moana Beach site. The entrance is just around the corner where the curry house is. So yeah, it's been a while. I haven't been here for a while, so we'll just go in there and with all the choices, Mexican food, Filipino. There is even check in a box in there. I noticed that when we went in there. Also, what else? Local Hawaiian food, pizza, man, you name it, they got everything. So if you notice on our immediate left is the Jollibee. That's a popular Filipino restaurant where it's just their version of Kentucky Fried Chicken. On the right is the curry, place. I don't know. I don't feel like, having curry. It just makes me not wanting to eat at all. So going further in to your left, you go down that flight of stairs, small stairs going down into the main area. You're greeted with all of the varieties of food, fast food. Korean barbecue is one of my favorite. They have it in there. So, gosh, it's pretty tough choices as you go in there. But I ended up, yeah, the Chinese, the Panda Express. We ended up having beef broccoli, fried rice, combination, two choices, orange chicken. Emily, she had, I think, something similar. Oh yeah, she had the Korean. There's also not Korean, but barbecue chicken and some stir fried stuff. So we had fun. This place was pretty packed, pretty crowded. So a lot of people were there. So like I said, as soon as you walk in to your left is the ice cream place, Akendas, if that's how you pronounce it. And then check in the box. I don't know. I'll leave check in the box way, way, way in the back. I wouldn't buy a check in the box in a place like this. Ice cream place, like I said, now they get the Philly steak. Oh my goodness, I would have get this one too. The Philly steak. Also, this place is right next on the left is they specialize on chicken. I think. Something Canes. I know Moylin and them. They go there once in a while. There's one on what is that? University and King Street. Yeah, right there. They get that chicken place. They get what else they got over here? The Panda Express. The Yummy. That's a really good Korean barbecue place. So man, I was kind of debating between Chinese food and the Korean. Korean, man, you can go wrong. It's one of the best, one of my favorite here in Hawaii. Korean barbecue and all the vegetables that they include with your meal is just out there, man. It's just really good. So right after Panda Express, I noticed there is a pizza place. You can get pizza, all Italian food. All the bread, with the cheese and all this goodness. It's awesome. There's that ramen place on your left. That's where we sat. We sat right next to that ramen place. And then I think another Filipino place, and then down the line you get the Mexican food and Hawaiian food and you know what have you. So this is it's been a while. I haven't been here for a while. So I decided that maybe this is a perfect spot for us to come down and sit down for a wonderful late lunch or early dinner. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm doing the narrative because of the issues with the clip. So I hope you enjoy. Aloha. Take care. Better remind me. Video. Apa yang mau dia? Kau nak kita mau dia? Mom. No way. Mom. Namnet. Mom. I want to. Ito nga ako lang ang muli. Ang pizza pa. Ako mana kung kalong siya isang dalis. Wala lupa ako ni Urwa ang dalis. Nga kung na ko diila. Kung ila sun diila mele o mama nga binmange ako to beef broccoli na orange chicken. Orange chicken. One, I mean, naman usual ko sa pizza. I mean, sweet and sour. Orange chicken. Yata na. Osle, paano kung hindi naman ako lang sa Nakabali sumikutan eh. So, oo. Okay. Ja, I'll get flight to London in the morning. Oh. So yeah, we decided our dinner or our meal would be Chinese food at the Panda Express, which is a pretty good choice, I would say. Yeah, when we were getting close to getting served the Chinese food, I was trying to convince Kenny and Emily. There is a Korean barbecue right next to where we're at, so I was trying to convince them that the Korean barbecue is even better, So So at any rate, we decided that we all will get Chinese food for for dinner. So that's exactly what we did, and I think it was a smart decision. Yeah, Kenny and Emily, they were here. I think maybe at least 2 weeks ago. Same reason for them, being here again. If you notice, I connected another clip, on their previous trip when they came here. We had lunch at the Rainbow Inn. This is right in Waikiki, Kapaolu Street, right in the heart of Waikiki. So, yeah, I connected that another clip, with their previous trip to this, clip where we having lunch at the food court. So, yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Thank you. I went to Seattle on July 15th. 16 was Carrie-Ann's funeral service. Stayed there for on the 17th and then returned on the 18th. Man, I'm still recuperating. I was kind of really anticipated my trip, because as soon as I came back, I started working again. Working a 16-hour shift the following day. So seriously, I'm still trying to recuperate. From I'm not young anymore. Took a trip, came back, and then got right back to work. But you know, having to meet Kenny and Emily is very important. I'm so glad that I get to see them again. Things are so not certain. You're not sure what's going to happen. So seeing them, I'm really happy. I went to see my family because of the passing of my niece in Seattle. She was buried there. So every time I get the opportunity to meet my relatives, my families, it's a priority for me, and I value that time, spending time with my close relatives. Like I mentioned, I brought that up with Canny. We don't take things for granted anymore. We never know what's going to happen tomorrow. So, yeah, I'm really happy with the meetup again with my folks here. Yeah, I appreciate it
Korean
so much. Sincerely appreciate it.
vegetable potatoes, kimchi, macaroni salad. Hindi ba ito mga guys? Ano ba yun? I'm not sure if it's the vegetable yung mga yeah, I'm gonna get the regular I'll get the fried rice. Yeah, yeah. Oh, you mean these? Okay, so I'll get these. Two choices, yeah? I'll get this one and what's lunch chicken? Yeah, I'll get lunch chicken, yeah. Chicken, which one?
Yeah, broccoli. Oh, the next one. Sorry. Orange chicken. Chicken. Yeah, that one right there. Okay. That's barbecue. Yeah. She's gonna get some. Where's this new one? Another one. Ito ang nakikaya mo. Beef. This one. It looks like Meron lang siya. Two large, one large Coke and a medium Sprite.
Medium Sprite.
What about you? Water. Ginger ka. Kaya ko din pula.
I have this one of plate and it's a
No, this is ours.
It's honey water shrimp, pork chicken, and anything else, patient?
Kaya ko din pula. Wait. That will make me. Let me say
Wednesday.
Wednesday, Lenlong, Timakos. But actually, Rainbow Drive-In, hindi na genuine force yun. Habang Kenny Taxis na Emily Kenny Taxis. At takal tuda nga, asa ko talaga kiyaw in the morning. Bakit yamin sing bala breakfast sila nga. Ala po sila to the post lang mait. Bakit masih ko la talta ka wiya pa nga kinarela video sing talmit na yok si pera nga ma. Kapag kat kumutari. Magaling som na tuwa Agar flop, kung dito na iya ko siya
Ano ko siya bang
Hmm.
au Rikkosta sover. Aivu.
Vaikka na makantawra soka cake kostil tutanga. Nakumdali me kumda somte follow ka me.
Onde vlogin wo mangewa get tulan.
Kulo malam ngali mo kumdal nako kulo malam cingkat ke kato singke kore tu singa. Parang nga sum shakul tala katashi rainbow tribe in yan singel. Amashi original me. Plate lunch here in Hawaii. York the more shuk molo. Pa nga dala mamatal special nga sila lang na makitat kani insinga tako breakfast / lunch. Kat mo lokomoko ngamo hamburger steak. Ngamo kita ya pala tin. Dasom ni ke hotel lom tale ke airport Men na siya kung fakya kung taligi ikas tumtel kung del taligi ikas na phone na tumtel nem sing
Onde var minus wo. Kemi.
filmi siya kel il chef mi siya. Oh wow. Acha na ito.
11 ounces.
Oh
Per.
talig
One
na
pound. Yeah.
1 pound talig si natol Kim natol alin na Solomon Orlando talim da hinalda nil pa Irene. Ito kati isus ka yun na pe. Apa ilwangin la pe. Ankin la isun mengay ta men lim tan sin tiga pa so we pe ka tao sel na hospital. Kay wangin la lenyo modal naus ki senria. Oh, mat fan a long story shiki me talik sin tum tal ngen. Oh, natalik. Oh, no kid. Oh, natalik sin natol siya hadister ma. Tal shik talik sin ngen
Wow,
Nalim ta na room da kumtel lang nil wangin la. Wow, mat fan a long.
okay.
Art.
Eat 3 meals a day
Hmm.
from year 1 maybe to 1
Wow.
like that. Nas. 21.
Ngayon ngulit ko sa CANNY sunit ngaul. Il talmam ta mayita, il tayi, il matala yita, nekel CANNY na chipin tu pa mawil pa kat alaf to kat fresh cousin. Kikat force nta yes nga like ko siya kat sum nakuam. Kasum luto del flock na ko siya palorik mani siya ula il tan kiala pangital patalak kalamira talikon ko tum tele. Siya wangin lang. At sana talash masin tumdal wangin lang. Pangalan na kulang malap lang ay ka in silpa ocean ke me. Ilpa ko niya akala na yung ay ngan la. Pagkas na po kasi ito, ibat kayo pagkakot na siya. Marang na akala na me Catch nga si ko pa nga yok ko. Kaya kaya si ba watching paano pa mama kita si pa ni mo ba. Kasi super din. So mkata kalikuya kalikna ka siya wala. Paano wo sumna kita lo sumna phone na. Kaya ka open sundali na siya wala. Siya na planning asumna Seattle pelu sumna nawin ko siya kita sumna ke mahasi. Kinuha yan, nalsak na sumpa kay Wiktas kami man ko. Ito kita na personal assistance. Kasi yung follow-up siya wala siya dahil siya. Kanya yung tama niya, ngayon nga na tama niya. Akmas niya lang tama niya siya ang pagkakalay. Ngayon lang siya na paano eh. Kasi ilalagaw sa vlog ka na kayo. Ako na teori ko mo siya. Unfortunately, then arrange nga no. Malaban, I would spend the entire day and probably into the evening hours. At we're mouse na do 60 on ko 50 thing. Kung dali follow, kung dali palit video. Hello, kulo malapla katosin. Sisak lukete peak kami pa. Kung dali kang tanga mo masing ba session ito. Apa nga mo kat wala kat namla me ko iced tea, root beer, so kang lakitin rice nga nakite. We're on our way out of here, you know. Launching cut la kata was yung launching cut ki laki in CANNY class kiting kahit sa kawas yung launching niya. Pangay siya makataka mo, rainbow traffic. Left todo na pena wakiki. Although got fashi ba watching ki on the